Oh my dude. You're gonna have to cut to the left. That's the only gate. Open the gate. I can't breathe. We're gonna f***ing die, dude. We gotta get out of here. Let it blow by. Just let it blow by. I'm gonna breathe, dude. Be alright. We got this. You don't think we should just charge? I think it would be easier on that side. Yeah, we're good. Go. It's gonna be hard to breathe, dude. Are you videoing this? Yeah. I'm trying to, but I had it on my lap. I'm sorry. We shouldn't be driving into this gorge. Get to this meadow, dude. I can't breathe. Come on, Expedition, baby. You can do it, girl. We should have come this way. This is the only option, dude. We couldn't have gone back. There was no way of going back. It was going to blow right through our house. You didn't tell me to evacuate, you asshole. They just got us almost killed, dude. Good help 911 is. It's alright. It'll be alright in this meadow. Or maybe not. I can't see, dude. I can't see the road. They're on the power line right now. It's trail light power line. My eyes are burning, man. My eyes are burning too, dude, but we still got oxygen, so we're not dead yet. We're on the road. We're on the road. Dude, bust through that f***ing gate if we have to. I can't get out again, I guarantee it. My hands were burning going out there. I can't see. I can't see. God, dude. This straight caught on fire. The road's on fire and shit. I know, dude. I know. It's tree. Good reaction, good reaction. I can't see the road, bro. I can't see anything neither. We can't stop. We can't continue. There's something right in front of us, right in front of us. There's a gate, there's a gate. Push through, dude. Push through that gate. We cannot stop. I can't get through that. Sorry, girl. We're out. We're okay.
The body camera video you are about to see was shot in the hills above the neighborhood where we are standing tonight. It was shot during the first 4 hours of Sunday's firestorm.
Red and Mark West Frank, still basically coming out. Want to come up there?
Copy, we need a unit to fix
Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office! Where are you at? Where are you at?
Help, right here! Come on! Screw your shoe! Come on, she's disabled.
All right, let me get her feet. Let me get her feet.
Her husband's right behind you.
Sheriff 1 Sanford, we're doing a carry out.
Ready?
Hold up. There's a house on fire. Let's go. Oh, you gotta get her up. You gotta get her up. Okay, hold on. There we go. Okay. Watch your leg. Watch your leg. Watch your leg. Watch your leg. Watch your leg.
Sir!
You gotta go. Mark West is nearly impassable at this point.
Copy. George 4, start that direction. Ocean 6 as well. We're dropped off our 2 elderly at 4300 Wallace with Brad.
Oh, don't hit me. God damn it. Bad spot.
Sheriff 132. I'm out with a resident on re-bleed. He's at 2020 re-bleed. He's safe. He's got 2 tankers with 10,000 gallons of water each if fire needs it.
Okay.
Four 9 stand for, don't pass. Do not pass.
George 3, copy.
They dig through ash and lift pieces of destroyed mobile homes in search of any clues that someone may not have made it out of here alive.
We are basically digging through rubble. We're looking for, at this point, anything human, clothing could be, but everything has been burned up that we found, and we're finding bone, basically, is what it's been reduced to.
In addition to the dozens of volunteers from Marin, Monterey, and Sonoma County as part of the search and rescue effort, there are 5 cadaver dog teams here as well. They come from Alameda County.
They're doing a great job of searching around, giving us an idea of where to start searching.
Together, they do find another victim of the fire.
Nobody has ever dreamed that something like this would come across the hill so fast and come into a populated residential, area.
The fire that scorched Santa Rosa was so hot, one victim had to be identified through a medical implant, like a hip replacement.
And it had the serial number on the implant, and we were able to find that implant and the serial number in the ash.
Now, the still daunting task of examining more than 250 missing persons reports nearly a week after the fire broke out.
As flames in Northern California continue to spread out of control, authorities have begun the grim task of trying to find and identify those who couldn't escape their burning homes. Searchers in some areas are being helped by cadaver dogs. Authorities say some remains are so beyond recognition, they will use serial numbers on medical implants like hip replacements to ID victims.
Some of them are merely ashes and bones, and we may never get truly confirmative identification on ashes. Cremated, you can't get ID.
Though firefighters have made some modest progress, fires have grown and now cover more than 300 square miles.
Cell phone service is still spotty. Companies like Verizon are using temporary microwave technology. Companies like Verizon are using temporary microwave technology to help people connect.
County officials are declaring a health emergency, asking homeowners not to sift through ashes once they do go home.
The public should not attempt to clean up fire-related debris. It is not safe. The ashes are toxic. It contains toxic materials.